Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Trading Journey with Bishwadeep. So today is my day 6 of my trading challenge in making 10 lakhs from 20,000 rupees. So this is my day 6 overall. You can see there has been a huge loss of 1,780, and I must tell you the reason why I took the trades, and let's analyze these trades that I've took in the Bank Nifty indices. Coming on to the Bank Nifty, I took the trade on 22nd of August. So yeah, okay. 22nd of August I took the trade, and this was at which time? At 9:37. So here I took the trade when there was the bullish candle that gave me a breakout in the resistance line. After that I took the trade. So in the morning there is always a volatility in the market. Like in the Bank Nifty there will be a movement of like 100 to 150 points, whether in the like 100 to 150 points whenever there is a gap up or a gap down moment. Then you can say some volatility will be there with the huge volumes in the market. So that is why a little bit of momentum that stays in the market. So on that basis I took the trade. This is the support line for that day when the market got a support and took the support, and it gave me a bullish candle over here. So it was totally a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. See, what is the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern? When a bullish candle forms by engulfing whole of the bearish candle previous to it, and the market should be in the downtrend moment. So there is a little bit of downtrend with the 15 minutes time frame. This is my 5 minutes time frame. So whenever you take the 15 minutes time frame, so this three candle will form one candlestick, right? So so this three candle will form the one candlesticks, including that, and it will come to the 15 minutes time frame. So on that basis I took the trade, and see, this is one of the candle that gave me a confusion that whether the market will go up or go down. But since it formed the inside candle, not exactly the inside candle, but it gave me that kind of help that kindly the market will be in the positive direction. So suddenly on the next 5 minutes time frame there is another bullish candle, but the thing is that, see, the long wick formation, what does that mean? That means the sellers are coming in heavily. The sellers are coming in heavily. Here all the sellers are there. Let me